In the Arts District of Los Angeles, there's an exclusive motorcycle club where its members could get tattoos, trim the top off with a haircut, and also have access to private lockers with their favorite items to sip on. Clothing is also an option as it sells many brands geared toward motorcyclists, and the people here enjoy being a part of this select group. So how in the world did I get a behind the scenes experience at the one and only bike shed? Stay tuned. When I was in Los Angeles, I got an invitation to hang out with my friend Desmond, who is a member of the Bike Shed Motor Code, and I don't know too much about it, but I'm heading over there to meet her and check out the spot.
Yo, I saw this dope mirror and I couldn't pass it up. This is probably one of the flyest murals I've ever seen in my life. This is fly. Absolutely fly. Alright, back to it.
What's up, people? We are at the bike shed in somewhere in Los Angeles, around here somewhere. But I'm gonna go up in here and check it out. I don't know exactly where I'm supposed to be going right now, but I'm outside getting it in. Hold on, I gotta hit my sticker right here. They think it's a game. Gotta put my sticker, gotta do my thing. Can't leave LA without stickering something. Bloop. Sticker, baby. Y'all see what it is.
So you're at the bike shed, brother.
Mm-hmm.
And so there's two. There's one in London. And this is their second location. So it's in the Arts District of downtown Los Angeles.
I just passed up a dope mural right there on the corner. It's like I had to stop and get it.
Yeah.
I had to stop and get that one.
Yeah, well, come. You're my guest. Come and show it. So this is MotoGP Sunday right now. This place will get packed pretty soon. We got a table there. We're going to be watching it from now to probably about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Alpine Stars is here today. They're actually doing the whole thing with their best.
Yeah, I seen it.
Partnership. So let me show you around.
Yeah, cool.
All this stuff here. These are just like racing outfits and stuff for MotoGP. And then when it's Sunday and it's not MotoGP day, like this is just an exhibit of just old bikes and stuff.
Right. Yeah. The King. King?
Yeah. This is Pink's bike.
So what does like the membership aspect entail? Like,
When you're a member, you have access to your own bar.
to your own what?
Bar.
Nice. Oh.
Quiet right now, but this is on Thursday nights. We do members nights here.
Yeah.
And this place is packed. So I'm members, and we eat, we drink, fellowship. You know, it's some of the most amazing people I've met has been through the bike shed.
Nice.
Definitely.
This is so super dope.
It's like and at night, you know, when the bars like lights are low, it's so nice down here. So nice. Even got Batman over there in the corner. So, I wish you were here on a Thursday. You will see this. Right now, it's just basically you're just getting.
This is still cool. I mean, I didn't know anything about this.
Members have their own lockers where we store our own liquor.
Wow.
Whatever we want, we just put it in here. They bottle service, open it up.
They bring it to you.
Yep. You have your own key. Look at that. You got some stuff in there. Yeah, whatever your fancy is, people just put their stuff in here.
Cool.
And then here's like a whole other
lounge area.
Just come back here and chill. You know, we've done beer tastings back here, whiskey tastings, all types of stuff back here. So, and it's fun. And then upstairs,
Oh, snap.
and I've been a member since day one. I was a member since they opened, before they opened actually. So upstairs, we have another lounge area up here. Whenever we party, we hang out up here. Sometimes with members do movie nights, that type of stuff. And it overlooks all of this. A lot of stuff together.
Right.
A lot. And like I said, some of the most amazing people I've met from all walks of life have been through the bike shed. The owners too, Vicky and Dutch, they're amazing. They're hands-on, they're here, they know every member by name. It's pretty. So here's the dining room, the main restaurant, which is good.
Is your birthday?
Not my birthday.
Oh.
I think it's his birthday.
Oh.
So I'll take you there. But here's the other part, right? I didn't show you this. So there's a barbershop. So you can come here and get your hair cut. So you can eat, drink, come here and get your hair cut, right?
Man, how dope is that?
And then you can also come here and get tattoos. Some pretty amazing tattoo artists here. Like this tattoo actually came out of there in October.
Nice. This is cool.
But he rides, really rides. From Louisiana, he's here. And
2 days.
Only two?
Awesome. Took me 2 days.
From Louisiana here?
Oh, I was riding.
Yeah.
I was doing some riding.
Wait, you rode
Yeah, rode my motorcycle.
in 2 days?
Yeah.
That's what he wants to do.
Yeah.
But not 2 days.
No.
I want to take my time.
Right. Need some breaks every now and then, right? Yeah, and then once it gets busy, so that whole entire lot will be like 3 rows deep of motorbikes. The front will be filled up with motorbikes. It's always, it's a good time. There's never a dull moment of like just eye candy of bikes.
Nice.
A lot of good events.
A lot of good events.
Yeah. And today they're having the MotoGP and the Alpine Stars. But usually Sunday we have Breakfast Club and we ride out to the hills and stuff.
Nice.
The people here at the bike shed sure love and appreciate each other. It's not like any other club for members, but more so like a family. And so everyone engaged in dialogue that was on a deeper, more personal level that each showed the amount of care that they have. The bike shed's amazing offering of gear was simply out of this world. It had everything from t-shirts to hats, armor jackets, and more. And I was absolutely stunned and surprised with Desmond's generosity as she purchased a shirt and a patch for me.
I cannot thank Desmond enough for the awesome tour. I don't even say tour, experience of the Bike Shed Motor Coat, Los Angeles. If you're in the area, feel free to stop by. All makes and models are absolutely welcome. There are plenty of events that happen weekly, and also inquire about becoming a member, because as you can see, there's some dope perks to being a member of the Bike Shed. So once again, thank you. I appreciate you.
Oh, dude, no problem. I'm so glad that you came down.
I appreciate you so much. This is cool. I probably would have never thought about, especially if I would have pulled up and seen all like the MotoGP bikes and stuff. It's like, let me go and keep going. But no, literally everybody can come. Everybody's welcome. Stop on by Bike Shed Motor Company.
Yep.
It's your man g-kue. I'll check back in with y'all later. Peace.
All right, so I'm here with my man g-kue.
Yeah.
Here at the Bike Shed, Los Angeles.
Yeah.
He came here from Louisiana. This is my city, so I've been trying to chase this guy for a while, and he just so happened to be.
Yeah, just so happened
to post on Instagram that he was in Inglewood. That's my area, so I was like, let's meet up. I'm taking him to my turf, which is the Bike Shed. So I'm a member here. Love this guy, love his content that he's making. As an executive producer and a director myself that makes TV shows, this guy is on the right track. He's doing his own thing, being original, and making content that matters. So
Making content that
content that matters.
See, I mean, when I say stuff like that, they look at me like, I'm crazy.
Nope.
It has to be meaningful. It has to matter.
Yeah.
It has to touch you in some kind of way. It has to elicit or pull some type of emotion from you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Otherwise, what's the purpose?
What's the purpose of it, right? That's what they are. But
So-
this guy, I mean, I can't be more proud of you than I am now, and that's why I'm happy to have you here. Keep making content that matters. Give the viewers something that has a takeaway, and they'll keep coming.
As I left the bike shed, I thought about the many people I've met on my travels and how they've simply changed my life. So never be afraid to go anywhere, because fear is the thief of happiness. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And this is your man g-kue, the leader of the Peace Army, telling you guys to be safe, be cool, and most importantly, be you, and peace out into.